Hi, welcome back to Formula. If you're in logistics and still handling delivery issues, shipment delay, or pickup requests manually, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to build a Google Forms logistics workflow that automatically sends emails whenever a delivery or shipment request is submitted using Form Mailer. This setup works for courier services, logistic companies, and simple chain teams or warehouses. Let's get straight into the video. First, you want to go to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Form Mailer email notification, and click on install. I have a full step-by-step video on this in my previous video. Just check that out if you're having any issues navigating how to install Form Mailer. Next, you want to go to your Google Forms. For this video, I already set up a logistics request form. So you would want to set up your request form, whatever you need to add to the field for your clients to fill or for an inquiry that they need to make. Next, you want to navigate to add-ons. Click on Form Mailer, which will automatically already be linked to your Google form with the email you used in in installing your Form Mailer. Click on Manage Email Notifications. So your email address used to install Form Mailer will automatically be linked already. Now you want to pick a name. For this video, I just used Delivery Pro. So this is what your senders will see and your internal team will see when they receive a notification. So you might want to either use your company's name or a name that they are already familiar with. Next, you want to set up your email template. So navigate to email template. You would see your respondents and your recipients detailing. Click on respondents. This is what your client receive immediately after submitting a form. So your respondents are your clients or anyone submitting your logistics form. You want to set up your form. For this video, I already did that. You can insert fields from your form. So this is whatever you already set up. So all you have to do is click on insert field, click on whatever field you want to insert into your form. As you can see here, I already have request type, which was originally from my form as well. Save changes. Next, you want to go to your recipient mail. So this is what your operations team receive or your internal team receives so they can follow up quickly. Same setup with your respondents. All you have to do is set up the details you want them to fill, save changes. Now you have to go to your recipient's detail. So these are your team members' detail. You can add in as much as you like. Example. All you have to do is type in the name and click on enter. You can add as many operations or internal team members as you'd like. Save changes. And that's it. Now let's test our form. Copy. Want to insert your name. Request type, shipping address. Click on submit. And that is it. Your team members receives an email immediately. As you can see here, the delivery name is that which you set in your form mailer already. Click and they can receive the details as to the form that was submitted and go on with processing the delivery. Your recipient also receives a mail that tells them that the request has been submitted, and you will get to it immediately as well. The same time, and every single teammate or operations team that you put in your mail receives a mail as well, as you can see here. And that is it. You have successfully set up your form mailer and your automatic process within your team. Form mailer includes 10 free emails per month, but to upgrade, you have to go to add-ons, click on form mailer, click on manage account, and for $3 per month, you get 15,000 emails monthly and 24 hours support. And for $30 per year, you get 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, and 24 hours support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, install form mailer, and let us know which tutorial you'd love to see next. Bye.